Hello and welcome to another Hottest unboxing, and in today's video I managed to get 6 cars, including a Q-Case treasure hunt. Yeah, I went to the store and there it was. Now let me move it out of the way since that will be the last one. I've gotten 3 new for 2025 and 1 2024 and 2 recars. These are all new in 2025. No recalls yet. The first one, Tesla Cyber Quad. Let's open it. And here it is. What? What is that? Why does it say T45N? Is that a new base? Also, where's something printed? There's literally nothing except T45N. What does the N even mean? I don't know. What does the N actually mean? And the next Hot Wheels is the Kit Car. Let's open it. And here it is. Now, can someone tell me down in the comment what is the Kit Car inspired by? A Pontiac Firebird? I think probably it is a Pontiac Firebird. And the next car, which lots of people like and hate, Hakutype D. The one annoying thing is that it's in the J imports. If this was in any other series, it would have been fine. But why J imports? I love this car so much that I purchased it because it's one of the cooler Fantasies releases. And now let's open it. And here it is. Hakutype D. With two small amounts of details on the base, but otherwise the car is perfect. It's got lensed front, not full headlight, and full lensed taillights. They've got like this glass piece as instead of actual printed details. And the next car is 1970 Plymouth Superbird. Also, have I mentioned that all of these, except the treasure hunt, are gonna be first in my collection? Yeah, I saw the other, like the Miata, the TR-86, I just didn't have enough money to purchase them. Now, let's open the Superbird. And here it is. I love the big spoiler on it. Do I have this car already? Why the fuck I opened it in like another 5-pack? Oh, it also has an O written on the top because it's an art car. Can't wait to collect all 10 of the art cars. And the next car, brand new for 2025, Gordon Murray Automotive T33. Let's open it. And here it is. Love the full details on it. Headlights are printed, taillights are printed, and it even has a custom license plate. I love that. And the last car, the treasure hunt. Let's open it. And here it is. The Porsche 928S Safari. Another treasure hunt off the list. And that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.